Your Portal Pay defaults are set up and configured during the implementation process, but you may need to edit or add information to your system from time to time. To do that, you'll go into the Dealer Management Activity Center and click on Dealer Configuration. Here you'll get to enter your company name. You can put part of the name or your entire dealer name, and then click on the dealer name when it appears in the list. And then you can scroll through and click on the different categories to open them, and you can make edits to your default information. So if you needed to change the primary contact for your company, you could come in here and make those changes. This is where you'll also find your URL for your dealer portal, which is where your customers go to make their online payments. You can edit things like your company information. Maybe you want to update something about your company, or maybe like this demo, there's nothing there. You can insert the story of your company here in the About Us section. If you're interested, you could put career opportunities in this box, and all of the information that you update will be synced and transferred to your dealer portal, so that when your customers log in to make online payments, they can also get this information on your dealer portal as well. You can update or add overnight payoff addresses, your contact information, phone numbers, fax numbers, your address information. If you wanted, if you have a company website, you can actually come in here to this WPEP integration, open that, click one of the copy options, and this will copy the code necessary for your web host or your web designer to add a button on your dealer website, so that your customers simply have to go to your website, click a button, and they'll be connected to your dealer portal, and they can make their online payments, rather than them having to remember the URL or create a button on their desktop. You can direct them to your website, and they can click one of the buttons that you create, and it'll direct them to your portal to make their payments. So there are a lot of things that you can add or update if you need to. You can change information, and that will allow you the freedom to manage your dealership information rather than calling and asking someone at AutoStar to help you update that. You can do that yourself here in the Dealer Configuration area in the Dealer Management Activity Center. Just remember that any changes you do make or any additions, go to the bottom of the page and save those before you close this area, so that those updates will be synced with your dealer portal.